Hello everyone and welcome to another DIY workshop tutorial. In this 3-part tutorial we will show you how you can replace the upper electric motor from the radiator shutters on the Audi A4 B9. I split this tutorial into 3 parts because it involves 3 main steps and I wanted each part to be as detailed as possible so that you don't break any plastic clips or trims. Part number 1 is removing the front bumper and one of the headlights. Part 2 is removing the shutter grille and replacing the motor. And part 3 is calibrating the active grille shutters. Check the description of each video for the links to the other 2 parts. Now that we got the headlight out of the way, we can take out the shutter grille. First, take out the connector from the electric motor. Then remove these 4 T20 screws holding the motor's mount along with the shutters. Now you can turn the mount around and you'll have access to these 2 screws holding the motor to the mount. Take out the mount and place it aside. To remove the motor, you have to carefully split these 2 arms apart until the small shaft slides out. You may need one more set of hands for this one. I'll zoom in so you can see the mechanism. When we place the motor back in, we approach this in a slightly different manner. We first took out the mount. We applied some grease to the plastic arms and to the shaft so that it slides back in easier. We then transferred the shaft to the new motor and attached both of them to the mount. To attach the motor's mount to the shutter's mount, we had to take out 2 of the blades and then snap them back in place. Now you can attach this assembly back to the large grille. We finished threading the 4 bolts and everything was working just fine, but we forgot about the electrical connector that powers the motor, so we had to take the screws out again, guide the wire through its original clips and insert the blades again. And finally, it's ready. To put everything back, you just have to follow the steps from part 1 in reverse. Also, you'll have to calibrate the active grille shutters, so check out part 3 too. The links are in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for free, like or leave a comment. Until next time, we wish you all the best, and remember, the DIY workshop saves money. Bye bye!